Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the way to download FIFA19 on Android mobile. So to download FIFA19 on Android mobile, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, go ahead and open up your Play Store. Now unfortunately, there is no such direct and easy way to download a FIFA19 on mobile or on an Android device. So I'm going to show you an alternative way, and which is also easy way to download and install it. So first thing, you have to go and download Cheeky on your device. So this is a gaming cloud that allows you to install apps or games that's not available on Play Store. So all you have to do is go ahead and install Cheeky on your device. In my case, I happen to already install it. And next thing, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and open it up and create your account. You could go ahead and log in with your Facebook, or maybe sign up with your Google account, or manually enter in your email address. Whichever is convenient for you, select that. Accordingly, register it. When you're done registering, then you need to exit out of your Cheeky app once again, and then go ahead and open up your Play Store. Now it's time for you to download VPN, and only through the VPN you could go ahead and download the game. So on the search box, go ahead and type in the VPN, whichever is convenient for you. But in my case, when you're using a Cheeky application, then you should definitely go with Tomato VPN. So when you go ahead and install Tomato VPN, just press the install button and then make sure to enable it before you download or look for the game. When you're done installing your VPN, all that, you need to exit out and then go ahead and open up your Cheeky app. Here, go to the game section and tap the search box and type in FIFA19 on your search box. When you locate the following game, you can go and play, and it's gonna ask you to do this procedure, so go through it, and likewise you will have successfully downloaded FIFA19 on Android mobile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.